True-false pronoun quiz. 40 questions and you will have 10 seconds for each question. Question number 1. A pronoun is a word that takes the place of a noun. True or false? True. There are 8 types of pronouns in English. True or false? This statement is true. Reflexive pronouns always come after the verb. False. Possessive pronouns show ownership or possession. True. Indefinite pronouns refer to a specific person, place, or a thing. False. Demonstrative pronouns point to a specific people, place, or things. True. Interrogative pronouns are used to ask questions. True. Relative pronouns connect a dependent clause to an independent clause. True or false? True. Question number 9. Pronouns can be singular or plural. True. I is a personal pronoun. True or false? True. Here is the question number 11. My is a possessive pronoun. True. She is a third person singular pronoun. True. Number 13. They is a second person plural pronoun. True or false? False. Us is a first person plural pronoun. True. Whose is an interrogative pronoun. True or false? True. Pronouns can be used to avoid repetition. True. Pronouns must always come directly before the noun they replace. False. Pronouns are only used in the English language. This statement is true or false? False. A pronoun can be the subject of a sentence. True. Pronouns can have different cases such as subjective or objective. True or false? True. Pronouns can have different cases such as subjective or objective. True. Pronouns can be used to create cohesion and coherence in a text. True. The indefinite pronoun somebody is always singular. True or false? True. In the sentence, I saw him yesterday, him is the subject pronoun. False. Pronouns can be used as objects of preposition. True or false? True. The pronoun none is always singular. False. Pronouns can be used to show emphasis or contrast. True or false? True. The pronoun each other is a reciprocal pronoun. True. The pronoun they can be used as a gender neutral singular pronoun. True. The demonstrative pronoun these can only refer to things that are near the speaker. True. The pronoun one is used to refer to a specific person, place, or a thing. False. Indefinite pronouns can be both singular or plural. True. Object pronouns are always used as the subject of a sentence. False. Number 34. Personal pronouns can be either subjective, objective, or possessive. True. Pronouns always come at the beginning of a sentence. True or false? False. Personal pronouns always refer to the speaker. True or false? False. Number 37. The gender of a pronoun must always match the gender of the noun it replaces. True or false? True. In English, subject pronouns are usually placed before the verb in a sentence. True. Pronouns can be used to show respect, formality, or informality in different languages and cultures. True. Question number 40. Pronouns can be used to create ambiguity or uncertainty in sentence, such as in jokes or riddles. True. If you want to improve your grammar skills and make sure you're always right getting the correct answers on your English grammar multiple choice questions, then I would recommend you to try the Grammarly. It's free to use and I've given the link in the description. In any case, thanks.